Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. The drawing is completed. Before I'm showing this tutorial, I'm going to show you something new. So this is the thing. I have bought a new table. My mom bought this for me, and this is a computer table, but I'm going to use this for drawing. This is a simple table, but I have set up this table for my convenience. So this is a new investment for our channel. So that's it. I'm going to show you the previous table or the setup which I have been using still now for recording videos. So let's see. This is the garden. So this is my uncle's plot. We are using it as garden so far. He is on another district. Here we're having hen's cage. So then this is the setup which I have been using for recording videos so far. I didn't have a tripod, so I'm using this as my mobile stand. I will keep my mobile here and record my overhead videos. So that's it. Then I'll keep all my materials here. Then I had this is not a table at all. This is just a plywood. Then that is an old cage for my budgies. So this is made up of scrap wood which I have made nearly 6 months ago. Then I had built a new cage for my veggies, so this cage being empty for 6 months. On the day I just planned to make a mobile stand for my videos. I just built it on the day. Then on those days the Amazon closed its delivery, so I can't buy a new tripod, and I had a chair on that place to sit, but I had taken that chair to a new place. Struggles apart, but my mom had bought me a new table, so I'm so happy with it. Please support me by subscribing and hitting the bell icon. So I have been motivated by you all. Wanted to grow this family a lot. Then the tutorial is going to begin. So I hope this video will be so easy to follow. Then watch this fully, friends. That's it. So first I want to take a height measure. So I'm going to start at this place to this. So the elephant will be in that height. Then we want to draw a straight line. Make a two pieces. So I meant mark two equal pieces. So the first part will be the head and the next part will be the legs. I'm just marking the center and then drawing a line. Take an average measure for the head, then draw the V-shaped line till the trunk end, so you get the basic shape of head. First of all, you want to notice the basic shapes in an image, so you could be achieving the best results. Then mark the same distance of the head on both the sides, so it will be the size of ears. You know, an elephant ears are so big, so we can't see its body when you are seeing an elephant from its front side. Then just add details by seeing an image of an elephant. So I'm having an image in my cell phone. I'm just drawing, but this is the basic shape of an elephant from the front view. You can memorize it or practice it, or you can be practicing for the formation. I'll be using lot of shapes for forming an elephant or any animals. So this is the best method to draw any animals, so you could be drawing it without seeing the reference also. I'm drawing an African elephant. Usually elephant will have a long tusk, so the tusk will be always outside from the trunk. I'm just drawing it. At first I had said that to divide the line into two parts, so we get the upper part and the lower part. Now divide the upper part into two parts, so you get a line. On that line you want to draw the eyes, so it will be in the perfect place. Then you want to draw the whole trunk in the place, so you want to draw the trunk by which you want. its tusk. So usually for an adult elephant, the tusk will be 3/4 on its trunk. So mark the distance and then draw it. So you could get a clear outline. You can see most of elephants will not have the equal length of tusk on both the sides. Some will have, but most of the elephants will not have the equal length of the tusk. So now I'm going to draw the ears. So I'm going to take the measurement of its face. The measurement of its face is equal to its ears. So draw it on the basis. So you could get a perfect outline. The outlines are so must because a lot of us will miss out some areas of the measurements while shading. So we want to do a perfect outline as much we could, so we could do a better art. I'm drawing lines for the reference. Then I had marked. Usually an elephant's ears will be oval, but we are not doing a cartoon art, so we want to be perfect in ears. So the ears will not have the perfect edges. You will have some cuts and other damages because it's being bathing in the mud and other rocks, so being like that. So mark it carefully. Then, but the oval is a basic shape for the ears, so don't forget it. I'm just marking it as like that. Then take the measurement of half of the face to the legs, because when we are seeing an elephant from the front side, the body of the elephant will be twice the distance of the face. So I'm just marking it and drawing the outlines. We can't see the four legs while an elephant is coming in front of us, so we could see only two legs, the front legs actually. Just draw it. If you can't follow these steps or these measurements, just follow the measurements which I have been using in that art, so it would be so easy for you. But the basic shapes is much more important for an art. You could be a better artist if you know the basic shapes and how to form in basic shapes for any animal or any other stuffs. I'll be posting, and one of our YouTube family member had asked me to post one tutorial video every week. So from now I'm going to post one tutorial video every week. It could be animals or portraits or anything which you want or which I want to exhibit. Then in this art I'm just erasing all the lines which have been drawn for forming this elephant. Friends, I want to say one thing. I'm just having the basic stuffs which you will all having. So I'm having a smartphone and normal pencils. I'm not having any professional materials. So don't think we will do better artworks if we having better art materials. But I'll agree one thing. But we could do better artworks with less effort if we are having professional stuffs. But it doesn't mean that we could not do better artworks with the basic stuffs. After this, we want to shade this elephant. So you all know that how to shade a realistic elephant or a realistic skin. First, you want to start with a basic shade. First, start with a light grade pencil, then add more details with the darker shades. So I'm going to use HB, 2B, 4B. I hope you will all have these materials. So these are the basic stuffs for the pencils. Friends, I want to share something to you. When I'm joining the college, I have an idea to start a YouTube channel for my artworks, but because of my studies and I have a fear on my studies, so I didn't start a YouTube channel at that time. But I have an idea to start a YouTube channel after the semester ends and hopefully the end of the first year. But because of this COVID-19, we have a lockdown, and so I started this YouTube channel. But when I started this YouTube channel, I didn't have any materials yet. Now also I didn't have any professional materials or not all the basic stuff. So I'm doing all these artworks with what I'm having. My pencils is half of the way, so I'm running over my pencils, and even I'm running over of my emotions. I'm just doing these drawings or these artworks in the normal paper. It will be 70 GSM, I think so. So I want to buy 25 GSM paper for drawing professional artworks. I hope all these online shopping sites will be open on the 17th. If they open, I'll be buying new art materials, so I'm having some amount of money of my own to buy the drawing materials. I'm so happy with my mom because she bought me a table, it being 5,000 rate, but she had bought it in the EMI. Even though we are in the tough times, she had bought this for me because I had asked the company for a table for me. Feelings apart, but I'm going to buy a lot of stuff from now. I'm going to work even harder for our channel. I hope you will all give your support for me, and one day we will be growing as an instant YouTube channel. That's my dream, and that's my passion. That's what. I hope this drawing will be so helpful for you, and you will like this tutorial. Share this video to your friends who are interested in drawings, so they could be better at drawing these quarantine times. We want to use this time. You know one thing, I didn't having a microphone too. I'm just recording this audios in the headset mic, so I know the audio's clarity will be noisy, but I'll be buying a mic within some days. Hopefully the shopping sites will be open. Friends, please leave a comment if you found this video is very helpful for you. If you want me to draw anything in my upcoming videos, or if you have any suggestion in my videos, then if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and join with my lovely YouTube family. Thanks for watching.